My name's Matt Kaczynski. I am the line lead supervisor for the NDT or A section at Blaytech. I like coming to work at Blaytech because I have freedom to do my job. The freedom that I have here to build what we're building, but to also try to make it better. We test our probes to make sure that they meet certain specifications required by the customers. We test the probes very often during the process. The beginning of the build, middle of the build, the final stages of the build. Sometimes we'll test them 2 or 3 times just to see if results vary. I work with engineering a lot. We're building every day, so a lot of times they'll actually come to us and ask us questions before they're designing something. I like that aspect of it because if I feel like they have trust in us and what we're doing. If something goes wrong, we can determine if we can fix it or if we should just start over to make sure that the customer's getting what they need.